of every. Oh, remember him? He was stuck in reverse. I said, you need a house with a circular driveway.
You boys need to get your rusty tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper bomb. It goes down faster than an elevator full of Winnebagos.
Rusty and Dusty! Hey, guys!
Hey, there he is. Good to see you, Lightning.
Thanks, guys.
Hey, good to see you.
You think?
Wow, you're all here.
Sorry, buddy. Did you want this call to be private?
No, Mayor, this is perfect. Listen, thanks everyone for sticking by me. Took me a while to figure it out, but I know now that it's time for me to make some changes.
Changes? What kind of changes?
It's futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Fillmore.
Really?
Which is why I have an announcement to make. I've thought long and hard about it, done a lot of soul searching and considered all of the options, and I've finally decided.
You do want to keep racing?
Are you kidding? Of course I want to keep racing.
Man, for a second Wait a minute. I knew that the whole time.
I never had any doubt.
Guys, I'm talking about making this my best season yet!
We were hoping you'd say that.
The thing is, if I'm gonna be faster than Storm, I need to train like him.
We're way ahead of you, buddy. Lightning, we want you on the road first thing in the morning, so you can come out and see the brand new Rusty's Racing Center. It's wicked awesome.
Wait, what? Rusty's Racing Center?
Wait.
Yeah. It's got all the fancy bells and whistles that the kids are training on these days. We'll send Mackie Boy all the directions. Now get moving, all right?
Okay. Yes!
Come, we have to pack the tires.
Hey, McQueen, you can't race in primer, man. Come on, let's go.
Ramon, you have done it again.
It's like the Sistine Chapel on wheels.
I'm coming for you, Storm.
Morning, McQueen.
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
He's just like the.
Guido, come. Scusi, tires coming through.
Go kick those rookies in the trunk.
All right, we're ready.
What do you say? You ready to kick it?
So.
Yeah!
Or we could just have fun.
All right, bye!
Get you on flip
I'll
side.
see you guys in Florida!
See you, McQueen.
Don't forget to call me.
Good luck in college.
Have a good time.
And to you.
Good luck.
Hey, Sal. Thanks.
Anytime.
Good luck.
Love you.
Love you more.